Hello students, we are doing the chapter sets. Set is nothing but the collection of well-defined objects. Then we have seen the methods of writing the sets. The roster method or the list method, rule method or the set builder method. Of this, both the rules we have learned very well and practiced certain sums too. Next topic is our types of sets. There are mainly 5 types of sets: singleton set, empty set, finite set, infinite set and equal sets. Yes, the type of sets in the first one, it is singleton sets. Singleton, single, S-I-N-G-L-E, single, that means only one. The element will be only one in that set. That means here see one example, set of natural number less than 2. This is the question, set of natural number less than 2. The natural number starts from where? From 1. See here, if I have to give, I'll always write it in the listing method. That is very easy to write. So I am writing A equal to, what is the answer for this? Set of natural number less than 2. That means we have only 1 in this. So we have an answer as a only one element. Then we can say this is a singleton set. So see here, we have, what is the question? Singleton. So element will be only one. Then we can say this is singleton set. Are you able to understand? So wherever the condition we get only one element, that is said to be a singleton set. Now the second one, empty or the null set. Empty, right? Or null sets. The name itself, it has two names, empty or null sets here. So when we can say it's an empty or a null set, the name itself again empty. That means that set where we don't have any element. For example, a natural number less than 1. Natural number less than 1 means what? There is no number here at all. That is, that set is empty. So that set is said to be an empty set. See, no element. In this, what the definition says, there will be no element in this set at all. Right? So, example. What is the example I said? Set of, again, natural number. Set of natural number less than 1. Set of natural number less than 1 means, I said we will give a name of the set B equals to, that is nothing we have because the natural number starts from 1. So this is nothing. So this set to be an empty set. We can write it like this or like this also. Clear everyone? The third type of set we are going now here. It is finite sets. Finite sets means what? Finite. You heard finite means what? It's something that is, some end is there. Some end is there. कहाँ तो कहाँ खत्म होने वाला है. अभी एक एग्जाम्पल मैं बता रही हूँ. आप बोलो नेचुरल नंबर 1 to 10 तक, तो 10 में आकर खत्म होने वाला ही है. तो ये होगा फाइनाइट सेट, जहाँ पे एक खत्म है, मतलब एंडिंग है करके. फॉर एग्जाम्पल सिर्फ मैं बोल रही हूँ नेचुरल नंबर बोलो, तो उसका कुछ ऐसा एंडिंग है नहीं होता है. जहाँ पे एंडिंग नहीं है उसके लिए अलग नाम है. बट वी विल सी फॉर द फाइनाइट सेट्स वेयर देयर विल बी एन एंड. इफ आई एम सेइंग टेल मी द टेबल ऑफ 5 till 4, I said. That means 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20. Till 4 means 5 4s are tak. So there is an end. So that means we can say it's a finite set. Are you able to understand that where will be can be counted also, where it will be end also, which can be counted, the set which can be counted and end also. Okay, and see my dear, the max, the definition is not important, but the understanding the concept is very important. So I am putting in the very simplest words so that you can understand easily. So let's give an example here. Set of a set, okay, a set with a multiples of, or we will give a very simplest example, set with even number, a set with even number less than 10. So what is the answer? You will get a set with even number less than 10. You will get A equals to, what all? Tell me, even number 2, 4, 6, 8. Can I take 10? No, because they said less than 10. 10 से नीचे. 10 से कम होना चाहिए, तो 10 ले लेंगे तो 10 बराबर ही हो जाता है, इसके लिए लेस देन 10 मीन्स स्टिल 8 ओनली. So see 2 4. Can you count it? How many elements are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. That means this is a finite set which can be counted also and ending also there. Clear everyone? What is meant by the finite set? Now let's go for the fourth one, infinite set. Infinite set. When I say infinite sets, just an opposite of finite set is infinite set. That means which cannot be counted at all. Okay, which cannot be counted and there is no end. Right, let's see to it. Like for example, I said tell me the natural number. Simply if I am saying tell me the natural number, that means you don't know where to stop, so that is said to be infinite set. A set of natural number means that is an infinite set. That means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 goes on. A multiples of 3, again the 3 table you will start and there won't be, we didn't put any condition, you have to stop till 3. So again it will become an which one? Infinite set. Right, and I hope this is very clear. A set of, I am putting a very simplest example, set of natural number. Right, so you will have any name of the set B, and natural number means what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and goes on like this. So this is an infinite set. I hope it is clear. Singleton sets where only one element, empty, there is no element, and a finite set which will be counted and the end is there. An infinite set where there is no end and cannot be counted at all. Right? Equal sets. Here, when the elements in one set is equal to the elements in the other set, then we can say equal sets. That means, see, I'll tell in simple words. जभी कि ये एक सेट है, ये उस पे जितना सारा एलिमेंट है वो दूसरे सेट में भी प्रेजेंट है, तो उसको बोल सकते हैं हम इक्वल सेट्स. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल एक कंडीशन हम लेंगे, अ सेट विद द लेटर्स इन द वर्ड लिस्ट. ओके, दूसरा एक लेंगे, अ सेट with the letters in word. Okay, still STILL. Now we didn't have any set name, so I am writing A equal to, what is the lamina for this word? Elements L, I, S and T, right? What would be this for this one? Still I am naming it as a B, this set. Yes, right? T, I, what do we have here? L, one more L is there. Shall I put? No, the rule says no elements are repeated. Now see, L is there in A, L here, yes. I here, yes, yes, yes. T, T. See, all the elements are present in A also and B also. Then you can say that A is equal to B. Clear everyone?